Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's May 30th. I'm out here in the garden. Got my my bed of turmeric here, and that's a lot of turmeric. I really don't need any more. I've got my shade cloth over it. It's really good down here in the south. It does so much better when I put the 50% shade cloth over the top of it. It's been here about 5 days, and it's already, I can tell the difference in it. But I've got a situation, and I'm going to show you what's going on. I planted that other turmeric and saved this. I was just going to leave it and see how long it would keep just dry, you know, in climate control. And wouldn't you know, it's sprouting. And so I said, well, I give some away to some neighbors. And I said, that's an awful lot of turmeric. I don't need powder right now. I don't really want to mess with this. I can if I have to, but what I figured I'd do is just go ahead and plant another row. That way, this fall I'd have a really nice batch, and I could just powder it all up and wouldn't have to plant but just enough to keep me seed stock. So what we're going to do, we're going to go out here in the garden and I'll show you what's going to go on. We got this row of green beans. Now it's still blooming, they're still producing, but they're dropping back. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these off. I'll leave the roots in the ground. Whatever nitrogen's there fixed and stuff, it'll help them out. But we're going to, as we cut these off, we'll just pick all the green beans that's usable. We'll have plenty for our winter storage. And I'm going to start and get these out of the ground. Okay, it's all cleaned up and it's planted. Now, whenever you plant turmeric, it doesn't need to be about 1.5 inches. You could do 2 inches. These were smaller pieces of the rhizome, so they're not going to have as much energy as the larger pieces that was planted in the top. Plus, now this is the time they start coming up. And as you can see by the way they were germinating in the storage there, that they know when it's time to come up. They normally start popping up in May, normally around mid-May. So those others has been up maybe 3 weeks. It doesn't take them long. Once they get a hold, they grow pretty quick. And then we'll just leave them here till this fall. Once the leaves start dying back on them, then we'll go ahead and dig them and go again. We won't, like I say, we won't be planting in many this year, so we'll use most of them for to go back and make powder. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. And if you want to see more, of course, hit that subscribe and hit the bell so you get all the notifications. And of course, give it a big thumbs up and enjoy that gardening experience.